Hey y'all, welcome to John's Gaming and Tech. I'm excited today. I get to build a new PC. I hope everyone's having a glorious day. Right now the smoke is horrendous outside, blowing in from California all the way to Idaho. So I'm sorry, anyone from California. It's pretty rough over there right now. So I'm super excited. I always love building new PCs. I do a lot of traveling, so the reason for this build is an ITX build. Something small, something compact. I went with the TU150 because it has a handle on it, so I can carry it around like a little cute little purse, and it'll get me through my traveling days. So yeah, let's go through the build list. Hey y'all, I just want to pause real quick and tell you, watch this video all the way to the end to help avoid a crucial mistake that I made. Thanks and have a good day. We're going to do, once again, the TU150 on the case, Lian Li. We're going to stuff a B450 Wi-Fi motherboard in there, nothing too special. I'm going to put a 1 terabyte SSD in there. This already has Windows on it for my other build. That's why I went with the TU150, is it closely resembles the Lian Li LandCool 2, which I love. It's all tore apart. I really need to name my PCs so we know which ones we're talking about. But in that motherboard, we're also going to stick a Ryzen 5 5600X so I can still do some editing on the run, do some gaming, pretty much do whatever I want. We're going to keep it cool with a Noctua low profile cooler. And in the case, we're going to throw a couple of their Chromax fans in there. For RAM, throwing stuff on the floor. For RAM, we have the Corsair Vengeance. This is a 16 gig kit running about 3,000, running at 3,000. Should be enough to get us by, and we're going to shove the big 2080 in there. This was in the other build. I have a surprise for that one coming. So yeah, not a whole lot of things that are super special here. Just a good, solid mobile PC that I can drag around with me from place to place, do some LAN stuff, and do some gaming while I'm sitting in a hotel room. Stick around. Let's get going. Okay, y'all. We got the build complete. Something I did not think about. Being that this is a B450 motherboard, it may not out of the box be compatible with the Ryzen 5 5600 I put in there. With the new Ryzen 4th series, 5000 series, call it what you want. Wow, this thing, that's the bad thing about this aluminum. It sure shows up all the fingerprints and stuff easily. Anyway, here we go. Fingers crossed. Really hope I don't have to pull this CPU out and update the BIOS on the motherboard before it works. So power here, powered on. Let's see if we get a post. I hope we do. I don't think I'm going to get a post. Oh. Definitely not going to get a post if I don't plug the computer in. Oh. What a day. Okay. Still no post. Let me try that one more time with you know, it actually plugged into the graphics card instead of the motherboard that doesn't have an APU on it. Nope. Let this be a lesson. Don't get in too big of a hurry, because now we got to pull the CPU back out of this thing. All right, be back in a jiff. Okay, so little aggravating. I threw in just a old APU I had, just a little 2-core APU, to download the drivers to update the motherboard to accept the new 5000 series Ryzen. And for some reason on the B450i Pro Wi-Fi, you click to download. I'll show you real quick. Click to download. It says no services available. So I gave up on that. I went ahead and threw in my Ryzen 5 2600. I'll use that for now until I can figure it out. Actually, I'm probably just going to order a new motherboard, B550 motherboard. But I mean, we're up and going. So, that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. The outcome was a little aggravating for me, but hey, yeah, that's sometimes we run into issues when you're building a computer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this, and I will I'll do another one when it comes time to change the motherboard out, show you all how to do it. So till next time, have a good one. Stay safe.